Teach Me TV is back again with another great video for you today. We hope all is well with you and yours. In today's video, we will continue on the topic of selling on Amazon. I felt the need to give you another video because of this. The Amazon platform can be a great business for passive income if done right. This is one of the ways that I got started online. I didn't know what I was doing. I just gave it a shot and tried to make something happen. At first, it was a little discouraging because of my fear of trying something new for the first time. Which I think is something that we all go through as individuals. The fear of failure and the whole world will come crashing down. But in actuality, that isn't true. What is true is that if you don't even try, you have already failed. So today, I will give you 10 more vital tips to begin selling on Amazon as soon as possible. These are some of the things I wish I knew when I first started, so I want to pay it forward by giving you a follow-up video to get you up and running even faster. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme.
Anybody that's ever made a lot of money did make it fast, you feel me?
But if you're up for a little effort and time on your part, watch this video until the end. Now, you can also go to this video to watch part number 1 of making money with the Amazon Sellers app. So if you are ready, let's go. Understanding your market and competition will save you time and money. Investing in a product with too much competition or not enough demand will result in sales and profit that are much lower than expected. When considering the product you want to private label, the following are suggestions. Remember that you do not have to follow any of the tips here. These are just ideas and questions to consider.
First tip. Make sure a national name brand item doesn't dominate the market.
It will be tough to compete with a national brand. For instance, you don't want to sell cameras. Canon and Nikon would dominate, say, for example, Lindsay's cameras. But think about categories like kitchen items and any accessories where there is no national brand dominance. An excellent example of this is a shoe rack. Are people going to be worried about the brand of the shoe rack? Or are they more concerned about the price, quality, and appearance? The second tip. Your average sales price is between $15 and $60. You want to make sure you have enough margin to pay for marketing. You have to do the same work to sell items that are $50 as you do for things that are $7. Unless you're Walmart, low profit, high volume is a challenging game to win when it comes to private labeling your product on Amazon. The third tip. Make sure the sales rank is under 10,000 for each of the top 3 items. If you sell something, you want to ensure enough volume to meet your income goals. It does no good to create an item for which there is very little demand. It depends on the category and year, but items in the 8,000 to 10,000 range sell 4 to 6 items daily. So ranks from 5,000 to 8,000 are selling 6 to 10. Ranks from 2,000 to 5,000 approximately 10 to 20 a day. And under 2,000, millions a day. So obviously the lower the ranking the higher the demand. Think about this when you're looking for a product to sell. The fourth tip. Can you add value to the product? Read the negative reviews and see what the customers don't like. Then, incorporate those improvements into your product. Can you bundle an accessory? Can you maybe put 2 in one package? You are looking for anything the customer can see as added value. The fifth tip. Are the products in the market durable? When products like drinking glasses are not durable or easily breakable, they tend to break in shipping. People will always blame you instead of UPS and write 1-star reviews when this happens. It's not your fault, but your sales will never be what they could be with those extra negative reviews. The sixth tip. Does each of the first 3 products have less than 400 reviews? Reviews are critical in helping your item rank and extremely important in convincing your potential buyers to choose your product over a competitor. 400 reviews and above are not impossible, but it will take time, effort, and money. If multiple items have less than 400 reviews, you have an opportunity to overtake them with good marketing. The seventh tip. Is the product simple to use, Lieutenant? People like simplicity when looking for a product. If the item is difficult to use and complicated, they will write 1-star reviews. When they misuse the product and say it doesn't work correctly, they will blame you and still write 1-star reviews. There are some things that you can't control, but what you can control is make sure you are doing things the right way the first time. Something that can save you a lot of time and money. If you think of something like a cutting board, no instructions are needed, really, as opposed to something they have to put together. Which would you choose? Start thinking in this way. The eighth tip. Can the item be purchased as a gift? Gift purchasing is tremendous. If you make your packaging look like a gift item for giftable items, your sales will increase dramatically. Some people will buy the item for themselves and then go back and buy it for others. Make sure the product is not a commodity and not easily purchased at a big box store. Another thing for you to consider. A commodity item like a generic pizza cutter is easily purchased at various stores, and many people will buy it locally. But if you create a specialty pizza cutter with a unique feature like an antibacterial coating, it will be harder to find locally, and most shoppers will first look online. The ninth tip. The market has multiple keywords. Would your buyer search for your item under multiple keywords? The more you have, the better and the higher your sales. For instance, would some buyers search under outdoor items if you sold kitchen items? You could rank for multiple keywords through good marketing and significantly increase your sales. The last tip. Knowledgeable sellers in top listings. This may sound counterintuitive, but if other people are making money in the market, you can create a better product, get better pictures and copy, and surpass them in the listings. It validates that there are sales for this particular product. Here are 3 more bonus tips since you watched this video till the end. 1. The product weight. Make sure if possible that the product is less than a pound. The smaller the item, typically the less its weight. This makes shipping from the supplier much cheaper. It also makes the Amazon fees much less. So, statistically speaking, items that weigh less translate into a higher ROI. 2. Do the other products on the first page have less than 100 reviews? There still is a lot of money to be made from other than the first 3 sellers on the first page. The 7th spot may still be a $1,000 to $2,000 a month product. Very few people would complain about making this off just one of your products, month after month. When several items have less than 100 reviews, it just means you have a pretty good shot at getting on the first page. Not bad for a beginner, is it? 3. Is the product small enough? 8 by 8 by 8 inches. That should be the goal if possible. Now imagine your item. If it's no bigger than your hands, it's probably small enough to get the lowest handling fees from Amazon. Starting out, that is exactly what you want. Lower cost mean more profit for you. Just remember, if you're going to be shipping these items yourself, weight will be a major factor in your shipping cost. The smaller the better. I want you to be well aware of all the hidden variables that come with selling on this platform and as well as any other platform. I truly hope this part 2 of this series helps you in any way. Remember, knowledge without action is wasted information. So take your time and do your research by coming up with a business plan. If you learned something today, I would love to hear from you. How you do that is by signing up to the Build Cash newsletter for more tips or leaving a comment below. Hit the links below. Don't forget to hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button. The notification bell as well to receive updates on when we drop another video. Thanks for watching. We will see you on the next one.